Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a new estimate on the Invoice Maker and Estimate application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then tap on the menu button in the upper left corner of the screen. Click on the Invoices button and click on Estimate, which is the second option. Tap on the plus icon in the upper right corner of the screen. If you tap on Estimation, at the top you can set the number, the date, and the status, which is issued, approved, pending, or withdrawn. Click on the button Save. You should add the client by typing in the client's name, their email address, and here you can fill out these forms such as address line, and you can add payment reminders. Then tap on Save. You can add the product by tapping on the Add Item button. You can type in its code, then the description. Click on the button Next at the top, then set the quantity, the rate, and the amount. Tap on Done at the top. Here you can see the payment details. You can type your comment into this box down below, and you can add attachments from your camera. You can pick one from your gallery, import it from Dropbox, iCloud, and if you are done with these, you should tap on the Send button down below. So you can save it, forward it via email, print it out, and so on. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.